words to say today. Sound them out, make them clear. Learning with F brings lots of cheer. F is for flower, flower. F is for fork, fork. F is for forest, forest. F is for farm, farm. F is for flamingo, flamingo. F is for fruit, fruit. F is for fairy, fairy. F is for finger, finger. F is for fossil, fossil. F is for fountain, fountain. F is for flute, flute. F is for frame, frame. F is for firefly, firefly. F is for foxglove, foxglove. F is for festival, festival. F is for foot, foot. F is fantastic, come sing along. Let's explore the alphabet with this song. With every word, we learn and grow. F is a letter.